You're watching a complex cinematic sequence, a photorealistic dragon breathing fire across a bustling city. But as the image strips away, you see the reality. The entire scene is a digital fabrication. Building these moments requires a clear distinction between two different fields. Special effects, or SFX, are practical. They are physical elements captured live on set, like real explosives, intricate prosthetic makeup, or machines generating rain. Visual effects, or VFX, involve the manipulation of imagery digitally, typically after the cameras have finished recording the live action. While computers are the primary tool, they do not make the movie. Software is inert without the specialized human artists who provide the creative and technical direction for every frame. Creating photorealistic results involves a highly organized production cycle called the pipeline. It is a structured relay race where data is handed off sequentially across specialized departments. The process begins with previs. Artists build rough, low-resolution 3D animations to test camera lenses and blocking before a physical camera ever arrives on set. During the shoot, the VFX supervisor captures environmental data. They record precise lighting references and camera measurements, ensuring the digital artists have the exact coordinates needed to match the real-world footage. Back in the studio, the digital build begins. Concept artists and modelers use software like Autodesk Maya or Blender to construct the raw 3D geometry of assets, defining the shape of every creature or vehicle in the scene. These static models move to the animation department. Here, artists manipulate digital rigs to give the assets physical weight, timing, and movement that mirrors real-world biological or mechanical behavior. At this stage, the models can move, but they still lack the chaotic physics of reality. They exist as weightless, clean objects in a digital vacuum. FX artists use procedural software like SiteFX Houdini to simulate complex physics, calculating how fire, water, or debris react to forces like gravity. Next, lighting specialists use the data captured on set to mathematically project real-world light and shadows onto the digital assets, ensuring they sit naturally within the live footage. All of these separate streams, the live-action footage, the raw 3D geometry, and the simulated physics, finally meet at the convergence point of the pipeline, compositing. Compositors use node-based software like Foundry Nuke to stitch together dozens of layers. They blend the live-action footage with the CGI models, the lighting passes, and the simulated effects. The compositor's task is to match color, focal depth, and motion blur across these layers. They painstakingly work until the digital seams completely disappear, making the disparate elements look like a single cohesive image. This is a form of digital sleight of hand. By mathematically fusing art with raw footage, the pipeline forces the human eye to accept a digital fabrication as a captured reality. The old linear structure of this pipeline is currently changing. Emerging 2026 technologies are shifting tasks that used to happen months after filming directly onto the active set. This shift is driven by virtual production. It removes the hard barrier between on-set filming and post-production by merging the two processes into a single workflow. Studios now use massive LED walls, or volumes, powered by Unreal Engine. These displays render photorealistic backgrounds in real time, allowing the camera to capture the final environment and its lighting directly in the lens. Artificial intelligence is also acting as a new assistant within the pipeline. It does not replace the artist, but instead automates the most labor-intensive manual tasks. AI can now generate 3D models from simple 2D images, or automate rotoscoping, the process of masking out an actor frame by frame. What once took a human artist days can now be handled by a machine in minutes. This automation compresses production schedules, allowing artists to spend more time on high-level creative detailing rather than repetitive manual cleanup. These technical advancements have made visual effects the structural foundation of modern production. The pipeline is the specific mechanism that allows a filmmaker to render any imagined world as a photorealistic reality.